All right, what's going on, guys? We had two trades today. We had a break even on shorts, and then we had a win on longs. Executions right here. Here is the break even short, and here's the win on longs. Just ignore that extra execution. Just trade of it was just bugging. So I'm gonna run through them pretty quick. Coming into today, I was leaning bullish, obviously with all-time highs. We had this SMT, and then market opens up. We initially get that manipulation down, and then we got this internal SMT. When we started displacing right away, I just personally didn't long this. I just didn't get involved in time, but you definitely could have taken this long up to all-time highs. From there, I was kind of just waiting for a retrace. Didn't really get anything that I wanted. I was waiting for a pullback into a gap and something like that, and we kind of just didn't get that. From there, obviously, we make another push to the upside, and then from here we start displacing lower. We obviously don't want to be shorting all-time highs, but what do we notice is that we have this unfilled 15-minute, which was also an unfilled 30-minute, which I didn't realize till after, but we had this unfilled gap, and I was expecting that to get rebalanced before a continuation up, but I'm not going to force shorts. I want clear confirmation. So what we get is this 3-minute inversion. You can see has a strong displacing candle, and if you look at ES also displaces down at the same time. So basically, ES displaces down, NQ displaces down. I just didn't want to short right off there because of the stop loss, but I was looking to target into the 15 and then target these lows resting right above CE, the gap. So basically, price comes down. We kind of leave these relative equal lows right here, and then we get this retrace into this 2-minute gap, 1-minute gap. From there, I'm just looking for a simple entry to take it down to these relative equal lows where I could go break even and then target these lows with CE. We get a 30-second inversion. I think it was either on this candle or this candle. I don't remember, but no, I think it was here because I did get into some drawdown. I had my stop right above the 3-minute. No, not the 3-minute. I had it right above the 1-minute gap or the 1-minute candle. 30-second inversion entry right here, and then I went break even as soon as we tapped the 15 to 30-minute. We took out these internal lows, and I was wanting to see price just continue to flush lower, but got break even. Obviously, if I went for the 1-to-1 here, that would have been a winning trade, but it is what it is. I thought we'd probably want to manipulate down to those lows, but that's fine. So from there, price taps into the 30-minute gap, the 15-minute gap. It is a shallow tap in, which I don't prefer, but since we are at all-time highs, I'm not really too worried about it. From there, I'm waiting for a reaction to the upside. I think I've seen some people take this 2-minute. This was solid too. I was personally just waiting for more of a shift from like in market structure because of how shallow the sweep was. So basically, we had this 3-minute gap right here. As soon as we inversed it with strong displacement, I see this body close, barely a top wick. And I know that now at this point, this shallow sweep right here is kind of irrelevant. We shifted bearish to bullish. We actually have a clear shift in market structure compared to over here. Like if I entered here, I would be kind of scared that price might re-sweep again just based on experience. But since we get that 3-minute displacement, 3-minute inversion, I enter there, stops below the 3-minute body. And I just went for a 1-to-1 and I went break even at all-time highs. And that was literally it. So trade number one, again, we get a shift. We have an unfilled 15 and a 30-minute. We get that retrace, break even at the unfilled gap, and I was targeting these lows but didn't end up playing out. From there, we tap the 15 and the 30-minute. We get a shift from bearish to bullish. We get a 3-minute inversion and displacement, and they go for the 1-to-1. So that's it from you guys. We'll be back at it on Monday. I'll see if I can drop some videos this weekend, but if not, I'll see you guys then, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.